Hey, it's Dr. B, and it's nighttime. And so if you've been doing the routine with me, and today is day one, so you haven't been doing it with me if you did it this morning. We'll go live in the morning again at 6:30 a.m. Mountain Time. But one of the things that I promised is that I would do a nighttime version of the routine, which is what I do at night as we get ready to shut it down and then get back up in the morning and do it all over again. And so I just want to go over with you what I'm going to be doing. I'm not going to make you do it with me. This is a couple-minute video, but maybe you can do some of the same things. And so why this works, you're not trying to win the day. We are just choosing and closing the loop from all the things we said we would get done today. Gratitude. Oh man, gratitude is captured. Thankful for being able to get through the day. And identity, I'm just reading off my paper here because it's nighttime, right? So identity is reinforced, integrity and checked, and being prepared for tomorrow. So what I'm gonna start out with is yoga. I'm gonna just do about a 17-minute yoga. I'm going to do a guided practice that I found online that I've been using for years. A lady named Cassandra, just put Cassandra nighttime and she pops up. And so it's like a 17-minute version. So if you want to do it maybe later through this process, we're doing 365 days. You can do it with me, but just a great thing to do. So that's going to show, my breathing. It's going to, just the weight of the day. I'm going to do a hydrate reset. And so this morning I drank 2 of these. And so tonight, more hydration as always. Hydrate all day long, right? Then I'm gonna do a gratitude dump. I'm literally gonna get on to, for me, instead of writing, because I write so sloppy and can't read my writing, it's easier just to speak it into either Google Type or today I might even just dump into AI and then let the AI put it in a category so it can be used tomorrow. So just, so thankful. For all the things that happened today. The biggest thing is just being able to keep the promise that I made to myself, that I would start the routine and that I would do this night routine. And so that'll be the seed for tomorrow. My suggestion, if you do it, then bring that to if you come back tomorrow to do it, bring that with you. So during our gratitude time, as we're completing our gratitude journal for today, that you have all the stuff to put into it. I'm going to do my affirmations, the affirmations that I did this morning. There's 20 of them. I'm going to do them and just restate them again. These all can be found on theroutine.live, theroutine.live. The affirmations that we did this morning, the videos on YouTube from this morning. And so you'll be able to get that. I'm going to do a prayer release. Just hand God the day. The wins, the misses, the worries, the unfinished conversations that I had. And I just want to carry those into the night and tomorrow. I want to have a really good sleep. So I'm just going to do a quick prayer release. I'm going to check, my promises to myself. I asked each of you to make at least one promise to yourself today. And did you keep it? And we're going to go 365 days together, making sure that you did that. So I'm going to acknowledge it. If you didn't get it done, show yourself grace and we'll get it done tomorrow. Forgiveness and trust check. I'm going to release anyone who took, up space in your mind today, that forgive them if I was upset. I'm going to think about my first priorities for tomorrow. I'm going to go through my calendar. I'm going to make sure everything is ready to go for tomorrow. I know what I've got doing tomorrow. And then I'm just going to do a blessing shutdown, which I'm going to speak a blessing over my family. I'm going to speak a blessing over you who are doing this with me and the people that will serve tomorrow. So hopefully it's going to be, this is, I told you the night one isn't going to be as consistent as the daytime because the time's going to be different depending on what I'm doing today and who I'm going out to see. I know like tomorrow night we're going out with, to do some stuff, so I'll know when I'll get home, and I'm going to try to make sure that I do it. All right, you guys have a good night. Day 2 is tomorrow. I'll see you at 6:30 or whenever you're able to get up